I'd like to introduce you to a botanist named Patty West, who works out of Northern Arizona University up in Flagstaff, and I found out she was going on a little hike at the Tavasee Marsh over in the Verde Valley, and I asked her if I could tag along, and she didn't mind, so she showed me a few things about some plants you can eat. Hope you like it.
So, can you see the berries in there? Do you want me to talk about them?
Now, what's that called?
So this is Netleaf Hackberry. These fruit don't have a lot of edible parts on them. These are the seeds inside, so you can see the fruit's only slightly bigger than the seed. So when you eat them, you basically have to chew them and get the seed coat off, and chew that and eat it, and then spit out these big seeds. So I don't know if you were going to try to use them for survival, if you would get much food value out of them, but they are tasty. They taste a little bit like apricot. And the way you can tell this plant is it's in the family with elms, and so it has a leaf that has different sizes on each side, and they're kind of sandpapery, but you can see from this that one side's way bigger than the other side, and that's something that's true for all elms. And they generally are a big tree, but they can also be a shrub as well around here.
Around here being where?
This is the Verde Valley. They grow throughout Arizona in wet places, though.
Now I'm noticing they're different colors.
Well, that is actually a gall. That's not a fruit. See how it's at the base of the leaf?
But like these two right
Oh,
here.
yeah. So this is the ripe one, and that's not quite ripe.
I see. Okay.
Now, a lot of times you won't get to eat any of these because the birds love them. So you end up with not very many fruit. Especially, this is the perfect time to harvest some here. Most of the year you won't get any.
You ever make pies or anything like that out of them?
I haven't. I just eat a few. But you could. I think in some of the things I've read about them is that people used to take them and grind them up. And I don't know if, I actually need to research that, but I don't know if the actual seed is edible, and if they ground the whole thing, or if you just try to get the outside off and make something out of that.
And you find it around watery areas like this?
Yeah, washes and wet areas throughout Arizona.
And what's it called one more time?
Netleaf Hackberry.
Netleaf Hackberry. Okay.
Celtis reticulata.
For the scientifically minded?
Exactly.
Okay.
So let's commit that one to the memory banks, and we'll have something we can eat next time we're wandering around in a forest in the fall. Go camping.